going to show you how to install Screencast-o-Matic on a student computer. So what you need to do is go to the three dots in the corner of the browser on Google Chrome, and then you need to click on Settings, and then scroll down, and then click on Open Chrome Web Store. Right there, got it? And then click on the DVUSD App Store. It's the blue. Nope. Yeah. And then scroll down. And then until you see Screencast-o-Matic, it should be on the very bottom. There you go. Yep. And then click on that too. Add extension. Okay, now click on that little X and then click on Screencast-o-Matic button. Nope, up in the top. Yep, right there. Click share. And then you will click on watch our intro tutorial to learn how to use it.